Hello, good morning, students. Okay, in last class, we have completed the T cells, B cells. Okay, today in this class, we go with the disease called as the dangerous disease called as AIDS. We have heard about the name AIDS. How AIDS is caused? AIDS is caused by HIV is retroviruses. It having genetic material called as RNA. RNA is a single-stranded molecule. Let us look at this. AIDS. It may be asked for 5 marks. Very important one. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Its abbreviation. What is going to cause in humans means it is going to defect our immune system completely throughout life. Our immune system will be collapsed, and this is called as birth defects condition present from birth. It is going to cause. Syndrome means group of symptoms. Group of diseases will attack, group of symptoms will show. It was first reported in 1981 in the country called as Africa. First this disease is occurred in chimpanzee. AIDS is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HIV is retrovirus having RNA as genetic material. How it is transmission? How it is said to be transmitted this disease? Through sexual contact with infected person. Next, transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products. Sharing infected needles as intravenous drug user. Even by using intravenous drug user means through injection. Some people will take drugs now, some people will addicted now to that it is going to cause. From infected mother to fetus, through placenta, through organ transplantation also it is transmitted. This is very important one, very important one. Life cycle of HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. It is caused through retroviruses. This is the structure for retroviruses. It contains viral RNA core, virus protein coat. Usually the virus contains protein coat, virus RNA core. Virus infects normal cell. This is the normal cell which is going to affect by this viral cell. Viral RNA is introduced into the cell. This is the all about cell. The cell is covered by plasma membrane. They give an animal cell. Viral RNA is introduced into cell. Viral DNA is produced by reverse transcriptase. Normal DNA is going to converting into viral DNA because the virus is going to infect by an enzyme called as a reverse transcriptase enzyme. Now it is totally turned into viral DNA. The viral DNA incorporates into host. Then it is attached to the host genome. Host means our cell only. Okay, genome means complete set of genetic information in an organism or complete set of genes. Contains nucleus, DNA, genetic material. New viral RNA is produced by the infected cell. New viral RNA is produced by the infected cell. Next, new virus are produced like this. This new virus will infect the other cells also. Completely, the retrovirus take domination all over the cells in our body. Through blood, it will be transmitted. This is the life cycle of HIV virus. Majorly, what is going to affect in our body means it is going to affect the macrophages or T cells. What is the function of T helper cells? T helper cells are going to stimulate antibodies that antibodies will not produce when this HIV virus is said to be attacked. And the diagnosis to test whether the patient is HIV positive or not, you have to go for ELISA, enzyme linked immunodeficiency immunosorbate assay. This is the test. By taking blood sample they will do. Prevention of AIDS. There is no cure for AIDS. Once AIDS is attacked means there is no cure, but prevention is better than cure. No, best option. Save blood, transfusion, use of disposal needles, free distribution of condoms. Normal symptoms: prevention of drug abuse, advocating safe sex and promoting regular checkup. The next disease is cancer. Okay, in the world we can see the cancer is a major disease and causing major deaths. Okay, the person is most of the persons are said to be dying through cancer. What exactly means cancer? Nothing but cancer is a uncontrolled cell division. See, our normal cells will go for controlled division. One cell is going to form during cell division mitosis two cells, but in this cancer there is no control over. One cell is going to form many cells, more than two cells. That is called as cancer. Cancer cells lost the property of contact inhibition. There is no contact inhibition. In normal cells we can see contact inhibition, but in cancer cells there is no contact inhibition. Simply cancer is called as a tumors. Mass of cells called tumors. Study of cancer is oncology. There are two types of cancers: benign tumor and malignant tumor. Cancer is nothing but tumor, I told. Benign tumor means it is confined to particular one region. They do not spread. This benign tumor cause little damage, not much, harmless. But malignant tumor, they are going to migrate from one region to another region. This property is called as metastasis. The cell division is very rapid. They cause damage tissues. Mass of proliferating cells called neoplastic or tumor cells. These cells grow very rapidly. Next, characteristics of cancer. They undergo rapid mitotic cell division. There is no control over cell division, called as neoplasia. Say this for 1 mark asked. What is meant by neoplasia? There is no control over cell division, that is called as neoplasia. There is no cell differentiation, called as anaplasia. There is no regulation of gene expression. These are the normal characteristics. There is no contact inhibition. Mutual contact between new formed cells does not inhibit division, whereas they happens in normal cells. In normal cells, contact inhibition will be there, so cell division is going to take place normally. But in this cancer cells, there is no contact inhibition. Cells are metastatic. Metastatic means they invade to spread surrounding tissue and organs, spreading from one location to another location. Next is causes of cancer. There are three causes. One is physical, chemical, biological. Here carcinogens given. No, carcinogens are nothing but the agents which are going to cause cancer are called as carcinogens, which means that normal cells transferred into cancerous neoplastic cells. Neoplastic cells means proliferated cells, mass of cells. Physically, how cancer is caused means ionizing radiation, X-rays, gamma rays, and also through non-ionizing radiations like UV rays. Next, chemical carcinogens. As you know, all tobacco, smoke, sodium azide, methyl ethane, sulfonate, etc. Next is biological carcinogens. Genes that cause cancer are called oncogenes. Okay, through biological carcinogens. Next, cancer causing virus called as oncogenic virus. Next, the importance you need to study, very important one, the difference between benign tumor and malignant tumor. We have discussed about benign tumor, they are localized, they are particular to one region. They are not localized. There is no metastasis spreading. Metastasis does occur. Exhibit expansive growth. Growth is invasive. Expansive growth means growth rate will be very slow. Here very fast. They do not show anaplasia. They show anaplasia, cell differentiation. Growth rate relatively slow. Growth rate fast. This can be treated by removal of surgical treatment. Surgical removal of tumors does not solve the problem. Relatively harmless malignant tumor could not be fatal, which means dangerous. Fatal means very dangerous, very harmful. Next, cancer detection. How we are going to detect the cancer? Person is causing cancer means biopsy and histo. Pathological study of tissues. Study of diseases. Pathological study. Biopsy means taking tissue from the body and testing. Next, radiography like X-rays, CT, computerized tomography, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Next, presence of antibodies against cancer specific antigens. Next, treatment of cancer. Common treatment: surgery, radiotherapy, immunotherapy, chemotherapy, cryosurgery. One mark, it may be asked cryosurgery. Cryosurgery means giving to the cell very cold treatment through surgery to destroy the cancerous tissue. That is called as cryosurgery. Laser therapy. Therapy means treatment. Alpha interferons. One mark may be asked, very important. It's a biological process. Modifier used to treat certain types of cancers such as leukemia, lymphoma, skin melanoma, etc. Okay, hope you all understood, students. If you have any doubt means ask. Still one more class needed to complete this chapter. Thank you.